Because of the use of subtherapeutic antibiotics in the agricultural feed, we have an antibiotic resistance problem.
We operate in the long-wave infrared spectrum, that is the thermal spectrum.
And we want to know, how does that gene being in our genome, how does that change our other genes?
I have a sample of the algae right here.
Almost all of the work I saw here today is either of publishable quality or is leading to something of publishable quality. Essentially the same quality as a lot of work done by PhDs and graduate students.
Here, this is a human genome, the human genes that we're looking at, and I'd like to see how we can improve our knowledge about the human genome and human diseases using statistics.
From an industry standard, people are looking for the antibiotic-free chicken. So we're trying to find the most effective, both cost and for health of the broiler, that we can incorporate into the market.
We use the sediment to create an exposure to try to replicate this problem in the lab so that we could later determine what is in the extract that we're giving to these fish causing these problems, so we can potentially identify the source of this problem.
Well, the sharing of information is the most important thing. When you're doing science, there's several stages in the whole process. The first is conceiving of what the issue that one wants to study is, then one designs the experiments, you get your results. But ultimately, if you cannot communicate your results to the broader public, to the scientific public, to the general public, then you might just as well not have done it.
We love our work. We take great delight when somebody else likes it as well. So there's a lot of satisfaction in that.
I love research, and the stuff I've learned, I've gotten to go out to the field and help assist other professors with their research. Got to collect pipefish in the Chicoteague Bay.
Working in a lab, sometimes it can get a little frustrating because you don't always get the result you want, but you have to remember you always get a result, and it's always important. So I think I really enjoyed it. I think I've learned a lot of patience and learning how to be a lot more efficient with my work. But
I'm from a small liberal arts school, and we have 1,200 students in my entire school. So coming to WVU and all the resources as far as the tools and the resources from different professors, I've learned so much. This is honestly the best summer I've ever had in my entire life.